Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert Telegram voice messages to MP3 format. So first, as you can see here, I have a voice message. In order to convert this to an MP3 format, go to Play Store and then search for Audio Converter. Next, download any audio converter you like and then go back to Telegram. Once you're on Telegram, long press the voice message and then click on the little sideways triangle with the circle on the upper right corner of your screen. Next, it'll show you an option called Convert this audio. Click on that, and then it'll open the app you just downloaded. As soon as it's open, you can click Format, and then click MP3. You can also change the quality of your voice message to whatever you like, and then click Convert. And there you go! You successfully converted your Telegram voice messages to MP3.